Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how I restyled this wig, taking it from this right here to this which you see next. If you want to see how you can style your wig from straight to wavy, please keep on watching, and if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and let's get into the video. I already watched the wig off camera, so what I'm going to do now is to style it, and I'm going to section off the up part of the hair. But this tutorial is applicable for when you just want to restyle your wig. You don't want to wash it, your wig is clean, you're tired of wearing it straight, and you want to style it by yourself at home. So what you're going to do is put that wig on a mannequin head, get a section of the up part of the wig and clip it on top. Then next you want to apply your moisturizer, and I'm using my American Argan Oil Serum. Use any serum you have available, but for me I prefer to use the American Argan Oil Serum, and I'm going to use this Delufil heat protectant spray. These two products is what I've already applied on the wig, my American Argan Oil Serum and my heat protectant spray. Next I'm going to spray this leave-in conditioner on the hair. Much later in the video I'm going to show you a closer look into the product so you get to see it really well. So now I'm using my 25mm coiling wand to coil the hair. I took out the small section of the hair, and now I'm taking my time to coil the hair. You're going to see me struggle in this first coil, and you notice that I didn't really like how it turned out, so I'm going to release it and then recoil the hair again. It's perfectly okay for you to struggle through coiling your hair. It's perfectly okay. The most important thing is, if you don't get it right the first time, you try again. I know coiling hair, it's not something that everybody finds easy. They might coil the hair and the coils might not last long, or you might coil the hair and you just don't like how it turned out. That's the reason why I'm making this video today, to just show you how I do it. So I cut out small sections of the hair, and then I try to keep the coiling wand at the top part so that the coils doesn't just stay on the bottom part, because the type of coils I'm going for is the coils that start from somewhere around like the middle to top part of the wig all the way to the bottom part. If I coil it from the bottom part all the way up, the strength of the coils are going to be only on the bottom part. That's the reason why I put the coiling wand at the up part, and I start to take in the hair upwards. So I put it at the up part, and then I start to feel like sort of roll up the hair inside of that supporting lever on the coiling wand. I don't know if I should call that the clip, rather, the clip. So after I've rolled up all the hair, I hold it up there for about a minute to ensure that the hair takes the heat, and then I pull it out. You can see the heat that's coming out of the hair. So I pin it up there so that the coils can cool off and take that particular form. Then I'm going to keep on repeating the same process all over until I finish coiling the entire wig. And take note, I try to feed the hair through the part that has the open clamp, so I don't have it looking rough or not going smooth. So I cut the entire hair off camera because it's literally a repetitive process. So for the up part of the hair, I applied that moisturizer, that Moroccan Argan hair serum all over. Then that's that leave-in conditioner that I sprayed on the hair. It also doubles as a heat protectant spray. So next I'm going to coil the closure area. Right now I'm just trying to section off the closure area to ensure that the pattern is really straight. It's a middle part closure wig, so I'm going to divide that left side into two and coil this first area here, and then coil the other part. Like coiling the hair, I'm going with the upward direction. Some people tend to coil their hair in the in like the downward direction, but for this particular tutorial I'm coiling the wig upward because that's the core pattern I'm going for in this tutorial. That's the reason why I took my time to that's the reason why I'm taking my time to coil it upward. You can see right now I didn't coil this one well. It's okay for you not to get it right the first time. Just do it again. So I'm going to do it again, and then when I've coiled it all the way and gotten to the tip of the hair, I'm going to hold the coiling wand up there on that hair until the heat spreads all over the head. Then I can take it out after a few seconds or a minute. If you're watching this video so far and you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly join our community by subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Get the likes on this video to go up. I don't want to be seeing views with no likes. It's very discouraging. So please make sure you like this video and share with somebody who's also going to get value out of it. If you have that friend that doesn't like styling her wig, she just wears her wig and she looks like a mad person, maybe once in a while, let her just send this video to her. If it's once in a mood, let her style her wig. Just send this video to somebody so she can, improve her appearance. because we live in a world that is very, very, people judge you based off of how you look. If you're a skinny person, they treat you better. If you're on the bigger side, they treat you worse. That's the world we live in. So what are we going to do? So guys, I'm done with styling all of the wig right now. This is literally like the last strands of hair that I just curled now, and I'm going to clip that hair on top. And after I've clipped that hair, I'm going to let that pin stay on the hair for about 2 to 3 days. But I just want to show you what the entire wig looks like after I've curled it. It looks really, really nice. So I'm going to spray this butterfly shadow hairspray on the hair. It's supposed to help the curls last longer. It's like a holding spray. Yes, it's a holding spray. So this is after like 3 days of coiling the hair. So I'm taking down the pins now, and when I take out the pins, I make sure that the coil goes in the direction I want it to go, because if I took down these coils without directing the coils, it's going to look a mess. The direction I use is on the left side, the coil goes facing the right side, and on the right side, the coil faces the left side, and they meet each other beautifully in the middle. That's how I do it. That's the flow. And you take your time to do this, and just be careful. If it seems like any part looks rough, if you have to get in with your comb and just comb through it, and then use your fingers to wrap the coils to go in the direction you want it to go, just take your time to do it, because somebody has paid you for this service. So if you're doing it for yourself, you want it to look like something that was professionally done. So just take your time and do this. By the time you wear your wig, you're taking pictures or whatever, you're just going about your business. You're just happy that you put in that time to make yourself look good. Just do it for yourself. So now I'm done with taking down all of the coils. I'm going to style the closure area, and I'm going to spray my heat protectant spray and also apply my hair wax to the hair around the closure area to lay any short strands or flyaway hairs that are up there, because I don't like it when you look at somebody's hair and the up part has plenty straight strands, like they're just standing there. I really do not like it. That's the reason why I always use my hair wax around the closure area. So I'm going to use the hot coiling wand to flatten the hair around the closure area. If you have a hot comb, you can use your hot comb for this step, but I like to use my coiling wand because sometimes my hot comb doesn't get as hot as I really want it to get. So I use my coiling wand, I comb through the hair, and I flatten both sides of the hair, the back side, the front side, and I keep on combing through the coils to get it to go in the direction I want it to go and look really, really neat. So guys, if you liked watching this video, please make sure you like this video and share it with somebody who is also going to get value out of it. And if you haven't bought our ebooks, how to start your hair business ebook, hair extensions, and how to test its quality, these ebooks are available on my website. The links are in the description box. Yeah, so if you're in business, I think this period now, it's like a good time for us, because everybody is trying to invest in like their look, trying to get ready for Christmas. So just try as much as possible to stay alert and provide the best service that you can for your clients. And then if you're just somebody who watches my videos who has a job, do your best at your job, look good, be happy. So this is the finished look of this wig. I really hope that you like how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching this one, and remember, people would have courage, live a positive life, and I'll most definitely see you in my next video. Don't forget to buy my ebooks, and the paperback copy is also on Amazon. That's for the how to start your hair business ebooks. Some people don't like to read physical book copies, but if you want that information, just go to the books. But then this is what we started with, and this is what we are ending with. I hope you liked how the transformation occurred. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, love.